In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to download your purchased products from the TechSpokes store. While on our website, click on the My Account link in the main menu. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Log into your account. In your purchase history, locate the order and click View Details and Downloads to proceed. On the receipt page, scroll to the product section and click the zip file link under the product name. Save the product zip file on your computer. The product license keys are located right above the product section, under the order total. You will need them later to activate the product after installing it on your website.